4 members of the track team ran various numbers of miles. To determine the number of miles Manuel ran, let's just put man, multiply the number of miles even ran by 3, subtract 5, so equals to even minus 3, use a different color, minus 15, even, ran by 3, multiply the number, even ran by 3, so 3 times even, hold on a second. Multiply the number of even ran by 3, subtract 15, multiply the difference by 2, so multiply this difference, the answer to a subtraction by 2, divide this quantity by 5, divide the whole thing by 5, okay? And then you determine number of miles Velvet ran, so we're on Velvet. Subtract 14 from the number of miles even ran. Okay, so even minus 14. And then multiply the difference by 3. To determine the number of miles Ling ran, add 30 to the number of miles. Add 30 to the number, okay, even, add 30. Then divide the sum by 5. How many miles did each team member ran last week if the total number of miles ran by Even and Manuel is equal to the total number of miles ran by Velvet and Ling. So you need to set Even plus Manuel equal to Ling. So let's start with Even and Manuel. Even is X, Manuel is this. Manuel is, we assume even is X. So that's X, X, and X, right? So we get 3X minus 15. Then you have to multiply by 2. Let's just distribute this like some of you guys are doing. You would get 6X minus 30 for Manuel. For Velvet, you get multiply that to that, so you get 3X minus 42 for Velvet. Ling is X plus 30 divided by 5. Forgot. This arrow here interrupted this 5 part at the bottom. All right. So Evan is X, so we do X. Manuel, I'm looking at here, right there and there. Manuel is 6X minus 30 divided by 5. That equals to Velvet. Velvet is 3X minus 42. And Ling plus X plus 30 divided by 5. Get rid of the denominator by multiplying all by 5. Gives you 5X plus 6X minus 30 equals to 15X minus 2, 5, 10, carry 1. That's 21, 0. Okay. Cross cancel, plus x plus 30. Okay. Oh, there's this. Okay. And then you solve that for x, which is even, and then you can find how much everyone else, how many miles everyone else ran, okay? And you get 11x minus 30, 15x, that's 16x, because these two are alike. 180 here, because this and combined with that is 180. And then go ahead and subtract 11x. 0 there, negative 30 equals to 4x, or 5x, minus 180. I mean 100, yeah, 180, not 120. Add. And, oh, I don't know, must be tired, add 180. You get 150 equals to 5x, divided by 5, x is 30. X is 30, go back and find all the other ones, okay? So go back and, that one, you can go back and put Manuel, okay, 30, and it's 180 minus 30, Manuel is 150 divided by 5, get the answer, okay? And this is supposed to be the answer, but show the work. All right, the other part is the review. I want you to clear out the fraction, so multiply all this by 6. Cross cancel, that gives you 4. 2 times 2 is 4, parentheses x plus 2. Cross cancel, you get 1x. Two plus 2. And then you go distribute, you get 4x plus 8 equals to 1x plus 2, and you guys finish the rest, right? This here, you would multiply all of it by 10. So times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10. You get x minus 10 equals 100 minus 75x. And then you solve it for x. Okay, determine whether it is likely a positive or negative association between the independent variable number of sunny days in a year, independent number of cloudy days in a year. Okay, the more sunny days, the less. If there's more sunny days, there's less cloudy days. So one is up, one is down. This is negative association. The number of miles driven, so as mile goes up, amount of gas in the tank goes down. I would think that's a negative too. Maybe they want A to be positive, but if there's more sunny days, there's less. Makes sense. I don't think it's a positive because there's only certain many days. More is taken by sunny days, less is taken by cloudy days. That's how I look at it anyway. Now I want to see this one. You work on it. I want to see who still remembers. I'm not going to do that one.